Mix and mash, away in a flash. We're going on an adventure.
With me, Gisele!
Imagine all the magic in the mashup mixer. Mix and mash, away in a flash.
What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Eliot?
Cheese! Campsite! And unicorn!
Our adventure awaits! Mix and mash and away in a flash!
Ooh, we landed in a campsite!
Smell that fresh air! With just a hint of cheese?
It's the tent! It's made out of cheese!
Oh, I wasn't expecting that! You know what my favorite part of camping is?
Tell me!
Better yet, I'll show you! Look how bright the moon and stars are tonight! And it's so quiet!
That sound is coming from nearby. Should we go check it out?
Lead the way! It's a unicorn!
Is it just me? Or does its horn look like the moon? Hi, unicorn. I'm Eliot, and this is Gisele.
I think it's calling out to the moon!
Or maybe it's just lonely.
We can help with that!
It's not working.
Uh-oh, it's a warm night, and the cheese tent is getting melty!
I didn't know unicorns like cheese. I think the cheese is powering it up somehow. It wants to give us a ride.
I'd never say no to a unicorn! I think I know where we're going.
The moon! Wow! The moon is made out of cheese. No wonder the unicorn loves it.
Oh, looks like our friend was just trying to get home.
I'm glad we were able to help out.
Good thing the moon is made of cheese. We're gonna need a new tent.
Mix and mash, away in a flash. We're going on an adventure. Imagine all the magic in the mashup mixer. Mix and mash, away in a flash.